Hey guys, yesterday I put up a video. I was looking at the parking lot and I completely fluffed it up, as you saw. Just want to talk a little bit about the best way to do this. That was the old. I was looking at my code and I realised that it wasn't exactly too sharp. So what I did was I created an object called a size. Just looking at it here, you know, it has a car size and it contains the size. It's an object for it to contain a size and an allowed size. And so I took that object and I used that as a basis for inheritance, so that the small object extends the medium object and the medium object extends the large object and the large object extends the size. Now by doing that, you can reduce your code to just use an object oriented signatures. So just like, you know, that like when you park a car, you just use the size of the car and you let the individual routines which set the size and get the size. If they're large routines, then what happens is, like the large size, it can set everything, right? But the smallest size, I can find it. The smallest size, it will not allow you to set. It returns a false if you try to set a medium or a large size. So you can't set it, i.e. you can't put the car in the parking lot. So by using object oriented mechanisms and then just refusing to set a size that's too large, a small, and then medium, the same thing, the signature, the set contains, and then you go and put a large car in there and it returns false, so it won't let you put a large car in there. So basically that's how you do it. So by doing that and setting up object oriented fashion, when you actually run the parking lot, you only need, instead of having all these switch statements, all you need to do is just a really simple piece of code, which is basically, let's read this. So forget that. What it does is it runs around all the parking lots, the medium ones, sets the flag to say that you're actually putting in a medium car, because you have some options. You could put in any car and different things. I'm setting the flag just to say that you're putting a medium car in, because even though it's the same size, you could still, the spaces could have the wrong sizes for the wrong spaces. You could have a small car and a big space, so you keep that external, because that allows you to change, you know, what's in a space, basically what's allowed. You can't set something, but it won't allow you to put a big car in a small space, but it will allow you to put a small car in a big space. So as I was saying, you get the next spot and it just looks at the object type to figures out that you're actually trying to get the next small spot. Gets your ticket once you've parked it, and puts the ticket in an array, and then later on. This is exactly what the guy who's interviewing me, exactly what he said, and that's the best way to do it. It's really simple, object oriented approach, and works fine. It's fantastic. I'm going to put this up on YouTube, and I'm going to go and do that Sudoku Go question as well, and I'm going to time that. I'm going to start now, and it'll probably take me about 25 minutes to do it. I was really tired at the interview. Like I say, I crashed my car, and then because of that I never get any sleep, and so I'm going to put these interviews up and then hope for the best. Thanks, bye.